Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crack the Heart Geode in Abyss Roblox. So if you got a Heart Geode in your inventory, it'll look like this. You can crack it in the Forgotten Deep by talking to Varelia. So in here, let's just find her. Okay, let's just talk to Varelia while holding the Heart Geode, and you can just ask her to open the artifacts. Just click on yes. Click on your Heart Geode and tap on open. Click on yes. And after that, you'll get the reward. So I received one teddy bear. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next tutorial.